Oh, you get to go for a walk?
Hey Rachel, it's Dr. Courtney here. Today I'm sharing my top tips on how to help pets as their owners get back to work. You know, as we make this slow return to normalcy, it may leave pets feeling alone and anxious. For a lot of pets, this is the first time in over a year that they're going to be left alone. And for many pet parents who've adopted their dogs during the pandemic, they may not even know their dog's personality while they're being left alone. 1 month prior to going back to work, start by slowly adjusting your schedule to one that you'll be able to stick to when you go back to work. Start your daily routine like you normally would. That means putting on your shoes, turning off the TV, grabbing your keys. But instead of leaving the house, just continue doing your normal errands. This will help them get used to that routine and they'll feel less anxious. But don't underestimate your pet's ability to understand all the basic things you do right before you leave the house.
Come on, Pinto. Let's go for a walk.
One of the central pillars to great behavior is exercise. If you're going back to work using a dog walker or a pet sitter, start out by doing it slowly. What the key is, you want to exercise them physically and mentally so they experience less separation anxiety behaviors. If your dog normally spent time in a crate or behind a pet gate, you may want to consider having them take their naps there again. That way, they'll get used to not being by your side all day. Start the desensitization process slowly and gradually, where you leave them by themselves for progressively longer periods. Start out short initially, but then gradually work up to longer periods so they feel more comfortable being alone.
Pinto, do you want a treat?
Every time you leave the house, even if it's just for 10 seconds, you should offer your pet a treat. And ideally, this special treat is only used when you're ready to leave the house. The longer you're gone, the longer the treat should last. Stuffed and frozen Kongs are ideal, and other food puzzle toys can really be helpful. Dog appeasing pheromones can create a really calming environment, and they come in a variety of forms: diffusers, or even the pheromone impregnated in a collar, or compression vests. They can be really helpful in terms of reducing separation anxiety behaviors. What's great about these tools is that you can put them wherever your dog spends a lot of time, or they can go everywhere where your dog goes.
Come on,